Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the essentials ready: a supported iPhone and updated iOS. First, open settings and confirm notifications and live activities are allowed for the app you'll use. Next, start the app and begin the activity that uses Dynamic Island, play music, start a timer, or begin navigation. Once done, wake the screen to see the island animate. This confirms the system received the event. Make sure you grant any prompts so the island can display real-time updates. Now you'll interact. Tap the island to expand its compact view into actionable controls. Play, pause, or jump to the app. If you need it to stay visible, long press to lock the expanded view. This keeps quick controls accessible while you do other tasks. While multitasking, glance at the island for glanceable info. It updates in real time because the app maintains a live activity. If controls disappear, swipe up or reopen the app. That restores the island's connection to the activity. To complete, end the live activity using the island's controls or close the app. The island will shrink and release resources. If the island freezes or stops updating, first restart the app and confirm notification permissions. Often that fixes sync issues. If problems persist, toggle live activities off and on, then reboot the phone. As a last resort, update iOS or perform a force restart. This clears system-level glitches. Remember, most issues are permission or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.